What a beauty, just arrived in direct from the last owner. Volvo V40. It's the Momentum T2 NAV Plus. Bit of a mouthful. It's a 2-litre petrol, 120 brake horsepower, and what a beauty. Denim blue metallic, just 2 owners from new with just 27,000 miles. Full service history, 6 service stamps in the book. It is gorgeous. Registered in 2018 on a 68 plate. A very, very versatile vehicle. It's the coupe, it's an estate. A very stylish car it is. Let's take you all the way around it. Rear parking sensors. This one also has the reverse camera. So denim blue metallic. Just catch the sunshine there. What a beautiful colour. Massive boot on these. Great load carrier. Split folding rear seats. Lovely and clean in the boot, not been abused, not been knocked about. No spare wheel, all the toolkits are complete with a locking wheel bolt. Reverse camera. All the rear sensors, all lovely and clean, no damage there. All down the sides, no dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere. Gloss black with diamond cut alloy wheels. Couple of little tiny marks on some of the wheels, but no major damage at all. Tyres all in great condition. As you can see, all the bodywork down the sides, absolutely beautiful all the way around. Again, a good close up of the near side front wheel. As you can see, again, no major damage at all. Plenty of tread on the tyres. Close up across the front. All lovely and clean. The odd tiny stone chip due to age and mileage, but again there's no damage at all, no scrapes or dings or dents, and this is why we do the full walk around video, to give you full transparency. You're walking around the car with me on your hands and knees so that you can see there's nothing to be hidden. Full transparency. Matching Goodyear tyres all the way around. Again, the driver's wheel. As you can see, just tiny little marks there, but again no major damage. Good tyres all the way around, all down this side. Lovely and clean. No damage there. And the final wheel and tyre, again in great condition. All the door trims absolutely perfect, no damage to those. All the entry points. Plenty of legroom in there. All the upholstery is totally unmarked. Lovely and beautiful. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. All the headlining is all unmarked. The last gentleman bought it in 2022 and really has cherished the vehicle. All the driver's door trim, again perfect. Storage there. Again, all the entry points in there, not been damaged. Driver's seat, absolutely perfect condition. Multifunctional leather steering wheel. 27022. That's all the miles it's done. 27022. 6 service stamps in the book. Incredible low mileage. All the door trims, all the dashboard, all in great condition, all undamaged. Satellite navigation. It's got the upgraded sound system. Which sounds great. All the stereo controls there. Very clear menu, navigation, climate control, individual adjustable, all very straightforward, clear menu on there, all the vehicle details, 6-speed manual gearbox, cup holders, USB aux input, various menu on the dashboard, cruise control and speed limiter, stereo controls, navigation, voice activation, just make it easy for navigation, telephone or radio changing. The onboard computer gives you the miles per gallon combined and other features. Very easy just to scroll through all that. Folding mirrors, a lot of people don't know that's on Volvos, but you press both buttons together and oh presto, the mirrors fold in. So there we have it, our beautiful two-owner car with just 27,000 miles, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange, great finance also available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your deposits, your HP deal, your low payments, your low deposits, and apply direct off our website. It is very quick, it is very easy, get an instant answer. Remember, you can reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website, click and reserve, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. And remember our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll refund your deposit and no questions asked. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer established since 1997. We're open Monday to Saturday. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. All our vehicles come with 3 months warranty, which is extendable for up to 36 months. Please ask us for full details. We can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details of how that operates. And we do the videos to show you full transparency and give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair, like many customers do on the travel from all over the country to find the best cars. If you don't want to miss this beauty, give me a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.